Okay, so if you're here in Vientiane, Laos for the very first time, things could be really crazy. As you can see right here, there's absolutely chaos, at least for me. You know, whenever I first came here, I was just like, man, there's so many cars here. And there's not just cars, there's motorcycles, big trucks, dogs, cats, cows, goats. And check that out. And then if you actually decide that you want to drive here, it is even more insane, at least for somebody like myself, who's from the United States, who's used to driving automatic, and with people staying in their own lanes over here and in most of Southeast Asia, people drive standard, and basically lanes are like suggestions, you know, likes as well. So people really don't obey the traffic lanes or likes, and at the same time, when you have all this stuff around you all the time, it can be very dangerous, especially if you are driving a motorcycle. If you're driving a car, I think it's hard enough, but whenever you're driving a motorcycle, it poses another level of danger, because then if you actually get hit by a car or one of those big trucks, it's gonna be some serious problems. So this is something that I had to actually learn myself, and I'm still learning right now. And the safest way for me is to actually just walk. Even though it takes longer, it is the safest route. So that is just a quick tour of traffic, real life traffic here in Vientiane, Laos. If you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode. Go,